Module 5, Whmis Safety Data Sheets. Safety data sheets were previously called material safety data sheets. A safety data sheet is a summary document that provides information about the hazards of a product and advice about safety precautions. They provide more detailed information than the label, including information on how to use the product safely, what to expect if the recommendations are not followed, how to recognize symptoms of exposure, and what to do if emergencies occur. Every product classified as a hazardous product must have an SDS. SDS are regulated by the Hazardous Products Regulations. They specify the sections and content for the SDS, outlining the section number and heading that must be presented in this specific order. The image on screen shows each of the required SDS sections and associated information. Pause to familiarize yourself with what an SDS contains. Importantly, SDSs must be provided to the purchaser of the hazardous product through hard copy or by electronic means. Additionally, SDSs must be updated within 90 days of the supplier being aware of the new information. New information could include changes to how the hazardous product is classified, or when there are changes to the way you will handle, store, or protect yourself from the hazards of the product. You can think of the SDS as having four main purposes. It provides information on 1. Identification of the product. 2. Hazards identification. 3. Prevention measures. 4. Response measures in cases of emergency. When using a hazardous product, you should always use the SDS and 1. Read the name of the chemical, matching the name of the product on the container to the one on the SDS. 2. Know the hazards associated with the product. 3. Understand safe handling and storage instructions. And 4. Understand what to do in an emergency. This concludes the training on the Workplace Hazardous Materials Information System. After completing this Whmis 2015 education and workplace-specific training, you should know the responsibilities of the supplier, employer, and yourself. Whmis classification of hazardous products. How to identify hazards of a product and how to protect yourself from the hazards using labels and SDSs. What to do in an emergency. And lastly, how to find more information about a product. To complete the knowledge check, please click on the course overview button in the top right corner of your page, and then click on the quiz.